Home Smart here, and today we're at the Reserve, or Green Valley Ranch Reserve. It is a 55 and older community. If you are 45 and you want to move here, you can, because they do allow about 20% of their residents to be 45 and older. A little bit about this community: it is a gated community. They have a really cool rec room, and Oakwood and Lennar do build here. All the houses are between 2 to 3 bedrooms. Some of them have dens. You can also add a basement if you wanted a basement, to give you more square footage. So let's get into this beautiful model home. Right now we're in Lennar's model home. It has 3 bedrooms with a den, 2 bathrooms. Truth be told, I did get my mother-in-law into this exact model, and she's very happy here. So right now, obviously, I'm in the kitchen. I love this island. It's perfect. You could just put 2 bar stools right there and dine there, although there is room for a dining room table right there. The appliances are stainless steel. They do have, and it does come with it, water and ice making machine. The stove is electric, not gas. It does have a dishwasher right there. Everything's really conveniently located, so there's not a lot of walking around. And it goes beautifully into the dining room. I love how they positioned the table like this, just nice, long, fits perfectly in it. And then it goes into the living room. There's so much light in here. It really gives it a sense of openness. The living room is attached to a beautiful patio. Sorry. Okay, let's go check it out. To a beautiful patio right here. And then the yards are the perfect size if you don't want to do anything big. And they also are, the backyard you do have to take care of, but the front yard and all the snow removal and everything else, they'll take care of. So it's very low maintenance. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. So here we are in the master bedroom. I love the size of it, very cozy. The lights are in the ceiling, so you don't have to worry about lamps or anything. Let's go check out the bathroom. So there is a stand-up shower right here with a seat for safety. There's 2 double sinks. Everything does match the tiling and the cabinet of the kitchen. So I love the constant flow and the way they designed everything. Let's go check out the 2 other bedrooms. Here is the laundry room. I can tell you that they will negotiate the washer and dryer in if you'd like. Here is bedroom number 1. And then bedroom number 2. I just love the way that they painted it and designed it. Very unique. And then the spare bathroom with a tub. Let's go check out the office. So the office is a great size. It does come with a double garage. And so I guess that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Please look for the video that I will make discussing the community as a whole. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.